More often than not, window cleaners use dish soap to clean a building's glass, and here's why that increases facade maintenance costs. Typically, the window cleaning process involves applying soapy water to a building's glass and then squeegeeing it off onto the surfaces below the window. When that dries, the oily, sticky surfactants in the dish soap, along with the dust on the window, adhere to the building and attract specific environmental contaminants, including minerals leaching from stone and airborne dust, as well as discoloration from biological growths such as mold, mildew, and fungus. This residue essentially acts as soil, fostering the growth of these organisms. Then, every time it rains, that oily, sticky mess runs down the building, causing stains on the glass and adjacent materials. In most cases, these stains materialize as water spots on the window glass and its metal frames, and produce long, dark, unsightly streaks on the stone surfaces below the windows. This forces building owners to pay for unnecessary facade restoration services. So, how can these unsightly stains be avoided? The solution is SCUMFREE Professional Window Cleaning Concentrate, an excellent addition to Presto's arsenal of commercial building restoration and protection products. SCUMFREE is designed to dry in a manner that won't attract environmental and biological contaminants, like the oily surfactants in dish soap do. It keeps windows cleaner for longer and prevents stains from developing on adjacent surfaces. For more information about SCUMFREE, including detailed product data and SDS sheets, or for personalized assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us. It's not just a window cleaning solution, it's a protective measure for a building's overall aesthetic. Embrace a cleaner, more cost-efficient facade maintenance plan with SCUMFREE Professional Window Cleaning Concentrate.